Last night she did ration, this time she did pass on. Oh no, she say I be backbone. She never got the act on me. Last night she did ration, this time she did pass on. Oh no, she a give me attitude. She 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 give me attitude. Hello Ghana, my name is Deri, and I rep Bright City Entertainment.
She say I be backbone. She never got it.
Deri is an Indian flower, so anything flower is kind of beautiful. Yeah.
No, she say I be backbone. She never got the act on.
So professionally, I started music 3 years ago, and then just recently I got signed to a label that was last year.
She give me attitude. She give me attitude. She give me.
I draw my inspiration from movies and our environment, things that really happens around. Yeah.
She give me attitude. She give me attitude.
So far, it's been quite okay. We just started. Like I said, I just got signed last year, December. So we just started, and it's quite okay.
Baby, I want to. Make them come, baby, I want.
The industry players should actually help the young ones coming up. Most of the times, you may have the talent, and it's not all about the money, though. But sometimes you drop a song, and it's quite difficult for you to have people or even on board to help you promote that particular song. So if I would change something, I would change that perspective of you struggling a lot trying to get people to help you promote your craft or something.
Now you make a man feel so lazy. Now you make a man feel.
In the next 5 years, I want to see myself to be one of the big artists in Africa and in the world as a whole. To represent Ghana and yeah.
She give me attitude. She give me attitude. She give me attitude.
I'm performing my new song Attitude, and attitude. The inspiration behind Attitude is like in daily life you got to meet people, and then everybody you meet one way or the other have a way of giving you attitude or showing attitude. Should it be positive or negative? But lyrically, I made it look more like a relationship stuff.
It's Bright City Entertainment.
It's your favorite boy, Deri. She say I be backbone. She never got the act on. Last night she did ration, this time she did passion. Oh no, she say I be backbone. She never got the act on. Last night she did ration, this time she dey pass on. Oh no, she a give me attitude. She 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 a give me attitude. She 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 give me attitude. 1+1 stand for me and you. Them no know we go shame them too. Where them come, baby, I want to. Make them come, baby, I want you. Touch my drums, make I touch your base. Run away, make I run to chase. Now your heart where I want to trace. Now your heart where I want to trace. Oh Monica, this your love, this sweet like ginger. Where your body to the ginger. Where your body to the ginger. Body where they make a man be crazy. Now you make a look at your face. Now you make a man feel so lazy. Now you make a man feel so lazy. She a give me attitude. She 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 a give me attitude. She 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 give me attitude. Give me attitude, yeah. And it's your favorite boy, oh Deri.